In a world of constant digital noise, where notifications and burnout are common, find your calm with the ancient practice of the Japanese Zen garden. This practice offers a unique way to quiet the chaos in your head and cultivate inner peace. We're more connected than ever, yet anxiety is at epidemic levels. Many digital tools promise peace, but often the same devices that offer meditation apps also distract us with constant pings and notifications. This can lead to a cycle of seeking calm only to be pulled back into digital noise. The Zen garden, or karesansui as it's known in Japanese, offers an embodied experience, a way to engage your hands and mind in a focused, tactile activity. Unlike passive digital consumption, this practice requires your active participation, drawing you into the present moment. Unlike fleeting digital distractions, the Zen garden provides a tangible anchor for your attention. It's a physical space where you can engage your senses and focus on a single, calming activity, offering a true respite from the demands of the modern world. In a Zen garden, rocks, known as ishi, symbolize stability, mountains, or islands. Sand, or shirakawa, represents the void, potential, or water, often raked into patterns. Moss, or coke, adds a sense of age and endurance, highlighting the beauty of things that last. Embrace kanso, which is the principle of simplicity, focusing on ruthless editing to remove the unnecessary. Fukinsei encourages asymmetry, recognizing that perfect symmetry can feel lifeless. And wabi-sabi celebrates imperfection, impermanence, and incompleteness, finding beauty in flaws and the natural cycle of things. Raking the sand becomes a meditative ritual, a micro-break to reset your mind. This focused, repetitive action helps to quiet mental chatter, allowing you to concentrate on the present moment and find a sense of calm amidst your busy day. First, fill your tray with 1 to 2 inches of sand. Then, place your rocks asymmetrically, burying their bases slightly, ensuring the tallest rock is slightly off-center. Finally, smooth the sand and begin to rake patterns, either straight lines or ripples around the rocks, allowing your creativity to flow. Accept imperfection, just like a fallen leaf gently resting on the raked sand. This principle of wabi-sabi teaches us to find beauty in the natural, the imperfect, and the impermanent, extending this acceptance to ourselves and our experiences. To use your Zen garden as an inner mirror, follow a simple ritual. Stop, breathe deeply 3 times, smooth the sand to release tension, rake a few lines, and then observe the patterns you've created. This process helps you to return to your tasks with a reset and refreshed mind. Your garden can reflect your inner state. Shaky lines might indicate you're feeling rushed or stressed, while deep gouges could suggest frustration. Conversely, smooth, flowing patterns often reflect a calm and focused mind, offering a visual representation of your emotional landscape. Apply these principles beyond the tray to declutter your workspace, approach daily chores mindfully, and pause thoughtfully in conversations. The Zen garden serves as a training ground, helping you integrate mindfulness into every aspect of your life. Declutter your workspace by applying the principle of kanso, or simplicity. Remove unnecessary items and digital distractions to create mental space, allowing for greater focus and clarity in your work environment. Approach chores mindfully, transforming mundane tasks into meditative practices. For example, when washing dishes, focus on the warmth of the water, the feel of the soap, and the act of cleaning, turning it into a form of active meditation. Pause in conversations, creating space for deeper listening and more thoughtful responses. This practice, inspired by the stillness of the Zen garden, allows for more meaningful interactions and reduces impulsive reactions. The Zen garden is more than just a decorative item. It's a training ground for cultivating calm, focus, and presence in your daily life. It teaches you to find peace amidst chaos and to embrace the beauty of imperfection. Build your own Zen garden this week and commit to raking it daily. Observe the subtle shifts in your mindset, your focus, and your overall sense of calm as you integrate this ancient practice into your modern routine.